In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin a post on X, Twitter. First, open your web browser and go to the website x.com. You will see the familiar layout of X on your screen. This is where you can manage your account and interact with your followers. It is crucial to be logged into the correct account before proceeding. This ensures you pin the right post. If you are not signed in, you will need to enter your credentials to access your profile. Once you are on the X homepage, you are ready to continue with the next step. Next, click on Profile in the left sidebar. This action takes you directly to your profile page where all your posts and interactions are displayed. You will see your profile picture, bio, and all the tweets you have made. This is an important area because it allows you to showcase your best content. By pinning a post, you highlight something significant, whether it's an announcement, a popular tweet, or a piece of content you want to remain visible. Take a moment to look through your profile and familiarize yourself with the layout if needed. Now, find the post you want to pin. Scroll through your list of tweets until you locate the specific post that you feel deserves more attention. This could be something you are particularly proud of or a tweet that received a lot of engagement. Pinning this post will keep it at the top of your profile for easier visibility. Remember, this step is essential for drawing your followers' attention to important updates or messages. Once you have identified the post, you are ready for the next action. Next, click the emo icon, which represents 3 dots on the post. This icon is typically found in the upper right corner of each tweet. Clicking on it opens a drop-down menu with several options. This small but important action allows you to access more features related to the post. It is essential to locate this menu because it provides the option to pin the post to your profile. After clicking the icon, you'll notice different choices appearing on your screen. From there, click Pin to your profile. By selecting this option, you are indicating that you want this post to remain at the top of your profile page. This is significant because it ensures that visitors to your profile will see this post first, regardless of when it was originally published. It's a great way to highlight your best content and keep it front and center. Once you click this option, the system will prepare to make this change. Finally, click Pin to confirm. This step is your final confirmation that you want to pin the post. After doing this, you will see a notification indicating that the post has been pinned successfully. This is a great moment because you have just ensured that this important post will remain visible to your followers. Pinning a post is a simple yet effective way to communicate important information. Now your followers will be able to see the selected post whenever they visit your profile. With that done, you have successfully pinned a post on X. This process not only showcases your priorities but also engages your audience effectively. Remember, you can always change the pinned post whenever you need to by following the same steps. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.